Have you ever wanted to create a stunning GIF from your JPEG images, only to find yourself stuck on how to slow down the animation? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and show you exactly how to create the perfect GIF. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your GIF plays too fast, making it hard to appreciate the details. You're not alone in this. Many people face the same challenge when working with GIFs. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I slow down the animation of a GIF created from a list of JPEG images?" They shared their code, which works fine for creating the GIF, but they want to adjust the speed. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what could be the solution to slowing down your GIF? The speed of a GIF is determined by the frame rate, which you can adjust using FFmpeg. We'll break it down step by step so you can get the animation just right. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you create even better GIFs in the future. To slow down the animation of the GIF, the user can adjust the frame rate by adding a specific parameter to the FFmpeg command. This parameter is called delay. The user can specify the delay in hundredths of a second. For example, if the user wants a delay of 10 hundredths of a second, they can use the Nash delay option followed by the value. Now, let's modify the existing command. The user should include the Nash delay option in their FFmpeg command to control the speed of the GIF. After making this change, the user can run the updated command. This will create a GIF with a slower animation based on the specified delay. Finally, the user should test the output GIF to ensure that the animation speed meets their expectations. They can view the GIF in any compatible viewer. Fun fact, the first GIF was created in 1987, and it was meant to be a simple way to display images on the web. Who knew that such a simple format would become a staple of online communication? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests slowing down the GIF animation by lowering the frame rate. They recommend using the FFmpeg command with a specified frame rate. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution suggests using the -r flag in FFmpeg to control the frame rate of your GIF. This allows you to slow down the animation by setting a specific frames per second value. Here's the pro tip I promised. Experiment with different delay values to find the perfect speed for your GIF. A little adjustment can make a big difference in how your animation feels. And there you have it. Your GIF should now play at the perfect speed. Remember, adjusting the frame delay is key to creating engaging animations. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus pro tip on enhancing your GIFs.